or spirit guide, if you can hear me. One night whilst in this bedroom, I was awoken and I was having a really strange, almost out-of-body experience. Can you tell me what was happening to me, please? It frightened me and I believe I stopped it. There was a gentleman to my right-hand side who was roaring with laughter. Who was that gentleman? Can you tell me who the gentleman was who was laughing? I know he was spirit. Did he cause the sensations that I was going through? Or was he just witnessing them? Late one night in the dark, I opened the door and there was a black mass, a black figure standing beside the bed, which rushed into the other room, the little room at the end of the bedroom. Can you tell me who or what this was, please? Just as a matter of interest, my friends, I've had so many experiences spiritually over my lifetime. I wonder why I get those, and is it ever going to lead to anything? All the videos I make, and the sessions I do, is there an outcome? Is there a purpose? I'd just like to know if the little spirit girl Sophie's here, if she can come and talk on this device. Come and say hello. My little grandson will be here later. Do you want to come and play with him? Sophie, are you here? Welcome if you are. My little grandson will be here later. Want to come and play with him? You know what his name is? Can you tell me, spirit people, how many people are here with us in this room today? Can you tell me who you are? Who are you? Are you family? Friends? Guides? We're just passing by. Can you tell me if you have a message for me today, please? Some guidance. Be nice. one last question, if I may. Do I have any spiritual attachments with me that shouldn't be here? Anything that shouldn't be here that I need to get rid of? How do I get rid of them, if I do? Thank you.